Hey everybody, welcome back. Hello if you're new to this channel. Today I'm opening up some old school 1990 Fleer Premium Edition. So, there you go, 15 cards. Not the wax pack with the plastic wrap. There we go. We're going to open it up, see what we get. We're going to get some old school 90s players. We're going to be good, hopefully get some Vikings and put them up on the Vikings wall. We're going to open these up, no particular order, see what we get. Take a look at the Fleer from 1990. These are football. Let's just open up the first pack. Right? Enough talking. Like I said in the past, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's start it. Let's open this up. I'll go through it quick. You're probably going to see a lot of people you have no idea. I'm going to know a lot of these people. You might not. There we go. That is the best way to start out. Scott Studwell. He said, hey, good things coming. All right, good way to start out. We'll just go through here. Oh. You know what I mean? But that's okay, because it wasn't the LA Rams back then. You know? They weren't the LA Rams back then. Go. Like I said, I'll just stop if it's someone, you know what I mean? And you'll probably, if in the comments below, if you're like, hey, that's my favorite player. Or you might not remember him, you know. I don't remember everyone. But yeah. Altoon. That. How refreshing is that? I mean, if I think about it, if I really think about it for a second, how many punters do you get when you're opening up new cards? I mean, you know, of course there are going to be some punters. You don't get a lot of punters, but they, you know. All right. Another JJ, not Justin Jefferson, James Jefferson. There we go. 90s Lions right there. Place kicker. I mean, wow. When was the last time you saw a place kicker card? Can't tell you that. Go. Another place kicker. You know, they just wanted to, Packers, of course. They just want to include everyone. Now, you know, I don't know if you see many place kickers or punters. You should, but I don't know if you do. All right. We'll just go through them quick. All right. Steve Young. Good old Steve Young. We'll put Steve Young to the side here. There we go. Old Bronco uniforms. There we go. Tony Eason. There we go. All right. You see a lot of old school Buccaneers. You know, Seahawks. Ooh, look at that. We got a Fleer All-Pro 1990 Ronnie Lotz. Nice. We got a Ronnie Lotz. All right. We'll take it. All right. Bears. John Forcade. Oop. It was a Packer. I dropped it. That's all right. Perry Kemp. There we go. All right. We're going to have a ton of these cards, aren't we? All right. Here we go. What do we got going on here? There we go. We like those Vikings right away, right at the top. Rich Karras. All right. Bart Oates. Start your day off with some Bart Oates. We got some Steelers. Another place kicker. Defense, offensive line, defensive line, place kickers. Running backs. Linebacker, you know. Where are the receivers? Right? Andre Reed, wide receiver. There we go. We'll take it. Andre Reed. Buffalo Bills. We got Jim Arnold, punter. There we go. We got a Brown, or Bears. There we go. All right. Whoop. Here we go. What do we got now? Ooh, it's Ickey Woods. All right. Nice. John Elway. We will take it. He should be a All-Pro. We will take it. John Steve. Leslie O'Neal. We'll just go through these quick. Like I said, you're not going to remember a lot of them. I don't remember a lot of them. You remember the Patriots quarterback? Probably do. Steve Grogan. The Patriots. I like the Patriots logo back in the day. You know what I mean? I want to get a... Ooh, it's Morton Anderson. I mean, if you're going to know... I mean, that tells you. Morton Anderson. How old this dude was. 1990. I mean, how long did he play? Was he a place kicker? All right. Jerome Brown. Still haven't seen a Oilers. Not one Oiler yet. What's up with that? Have we seen even a Dallas Cowboy? I think we saw a Dallas Cowboy. All right. Do these. Next pack. Slippery. Tell you what. I don't know. Do you think these held cards better than the wax pack? You don't get that. Something about open wax packs, but you just don't get that residue. Cards stay fresh. All right. Chris Carter. Of course, before he was a Viking during his smoking crack cocaine phase. Ray Berry. We'll take it. I mean, Dan Marino. He should be a All-Pro, but quarterbacks, maybe not All-Pro. Steve Berliner. All right, we're going. We're going quarterback. All right. Tom Newberry. All right. Really? No Oilers? I haven't seen an Oiler. That is okay. So, well, I guess this might be our first Chief, maybe. Got Ronnie Lotz again. Good old Ronnie. There we we go. I think that's the first Houston Oilers that I pulled. There we go. There's Oilers who eventually became the Tennessee Titans. Ooh, Mark Rypien, QB. There we go. All right. That'd be a good quarterback pack right there. Next one. All right. There we go. Place kickers. Oh, Tim Harris. Y'all remember Tim Harris? I don't. Chris Spielman. There you go. Chris Spielman. Richard Dent. There we go. All right. Ron Heller. Wade Wilson. All right. There we go. We'll take it. Wade Wilson. E.J. Jr. Steve Smith. All right. All right. Buford McGee. Good old Buford McGee. All right. Here we go. There we go. Got another Steve Smith. Oh, it's going to be the same. Oh, it's going to be another. It's the same Buford McGee. Sometimes you get those same run of cards. That's what happens sometimes. Bernie Kosar. All right. Nice. Okay. Tony Zendejas. All right. Place kicker. So we'll just go through a lot of these. I don't know who they are. Look at that. Jim McMahon. Man, you can't tell me the 90s were just run full of good quarterbacks. John Hand. Freddie Joe Nunn. All right. 2 packs to go. Good Vikings wall. Good quarterback wall. Got a couple Fleer All-Pro. See what we got now. Let's see. We'll take we need a, right? Oh, we got our quarterback, Wade Wilson. All right. Tom Tupa. Oh, Tom Tupa. All right. Here we go. Keith Jackson. Tight end. Look at that. It's Jerry Ball. That can't be. Could that be, guys? Is that the Jerry Ball who played for the Vikings in the 90s? I bet you it is. I bet you that is. I bet you that's Jerry Ball. Played for the Vikings. He's not going on the wall, but because he's a Lion, but Jerry Ball. All right. Whoa. And we got Mike Tomczak. All right. Bobby Hubert. There we go. Ooh. I think that's our first Falcons. Keith Jackson. Hassan Jones. Nice. Add him to the wall. Hassan Jones wearing number 84. And we all know late 80s who came, or late 90s, pardon me, who came in wearing 90 or 84. Him and Chris Carter, wherever he went. Yep. Randy Moss. Nice. There we go. Pepper Jones. You know, a lot of these linebackers look like they just, you know, it looks like they literally, if I kind of look at these cards, some of them are game worn, but like some of these, like, I was like, you know, they were at practice. He got a picture taken at practice. He's not dirty at all. I don't know. My take, whatever. All right, last pack. What do we think? Viking? We got to get a Viking here again, right? Let's see. We don't have to. We want to. Don't have to, right? We don't have to. But here we go. Joe Montana. Like I said, you can't tell me they don't have great quarterbacks from the 90s. There we go. Another Houston Oiler. Go. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, former quarterback Jack Trudeau. Sure. Gary Hogenboom. Oh, of course. All right. Another Oiler or Patriot there. Ooh, Bob Gugliano. All right. Last card. Here we go. All right. Well, there you go. That was pretty entertaining. A lot of people I remember. Hopefully there's people you remember. Maybe it's something new. You've never seen it before. Hopefully you got some entertainment. I got some entertainment. Got a couple Fleer. We got some really good quarterbacks. And then we got some mediocre quarterbacks. And of course, always good when you get some Vikings. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Go back, watch some older videos. Leave a comment below if you like these cards or not. As always, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you from our next video.